Now let's get to SEO. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. If you have good SEO, when people search for things on Google, for example, you rank much higher and there's a better chance they will see your website and click on your website. So right now I'm gonna show you the main things you can do to improve the chances of you being high ranked on Google. There are two types of SEO, on-site SEO and off-site SEO. I'm gonna talk mainly about the on-site SEO. The off-site SEO is something that you cannot really do in Framer. It's about backlinks mainly. A backlink is when another website links to your website. And the more backlinks you have, the higher are the chances of you ranking high in search engines. Okay, so let me show you what you can do for the on-site SEO in Framer. If you click here on this button, it will take you to the site settings. And for each page, you can set up a title, page description, social preview image, and also a favicon. The favicon is set up here in the general settings. So it's like the little icon you see in the browser next to the opened website. The social preview is the image that people see when they share your website on social media, for example. So let's say you have a friend, you send them a link to our website, and under this link or above this link, this image will appear in your message. And for the title, when you search for something on Google, usually the result looks like that you see the title and the description, and this is exactly what it is. So for each page, you should set up these two, and the title should be pretty short, like 50 characters, and pretty descriptive, and same goes for the description. Usually you want to put some keywords in there. Keywords are like the queries that people search for on Google. So for example, if you're an electrician, you want to put electrician here because people can search for electricians in Google. Another thing you want to do is make sure all of the images that you use have an alt text. When people use screen readers, they don't see the image, but this is the text they see instead of the image. So you want to make sure the alt text is descriptive enough for all of the images. The last important thing for the on-site SEO are the headings. You want to make sure every page has exactly one heading 1. You can either use the heading 1 style, or you can set up the heading 1 tag here. This variable is here for every text element. And for the other sections, you want to make sure the heading is set to heading 2. Then if you have, for example, this section, you want to set this type of heading to heading 3. So like you should have these different heading levels to represent the hierarchy of each page. That's really important for the SEO.